guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a sheet mask review, and today I'm testing out the Garnier Pro-Retinol Smoothing Serum Sheet Mask. I haven't tried this one before, but if you are a regular watcher of my channel, you know that the Garnier sheet masks are my favourite. I do like the simple masks as well, and I've tried some of the Boots masks and I like those as well, but the Garnier ones are just my favourite. But I haven't actually tried this one, so I picked this up the other day. It has retinol, so it's supposed to firm your skin and get rid of like fine lines and wrinkles and that kind of thing. So yeah, let's just get started. So I have a clean face ready. It says it smooths the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles in just 15 minutes. It has half a bottle of serum with pro-retinol and acai extract to fight signs of aging for smooth and even skin. Skin appears smoother, renewed and regenerated, fine lines look reduced, skin texture appears more refined, and the overall skin appearance is improved. And you keep it on for 15 minutes. I already have a clean washed face, so let's just put it on. Okay, so I'm going to leave this on for 15 minutes. Okay, so now I'm going to take it off. It's been just under 15 minutes, so let's take it off. And then I'm just going to massage in the excess. Okay, so as you can see, my skin looks amazing. My skin just feels so nice. When I had that mask on, it was just so hydrating, cooling and soft on my face. It just felt really nice. And I really like the way my skin is looking now. It looks so fresh, glowy, hydrated, plumped, a lot less dull and more brighter. I don't know if the Pro-Retinol has got rid of my fine lines. That's going to have to be something I would test over time, but it is looking good so far. I actually really like this mask. My skin looks and feels amazing. I really like how hydrated and moisturized my skin feels. It feels like refreshed. You know, my skin was really dull and dry and drab, and now it's been brightened and hydrated, and it just looks so much better. So yeah, definitely this mask gets a thumbs up from me. Any Garnier mask gets a thumbs up. I haven't actually tried a Garnier mask that I dislike. There's none that I dislike from Garnier, and I've tried most of them now. There are a few left that I haven't tried, but there hasn't been one that I dislike. They are so good. And again, this one, I think this one is actually one of my favorites. It's made my skin feel so nice. I really like it. So if you haven't tried this one, I recommend it. It's also vegan, something that I just noticed. It's vegan formula, if that's something of interest to you. So yeah, I really like this. So if you haven't tried this one, I recommend you to go out and try it. So yeah, that completes this video. This was my review of the Garnier Pro-Retinol Smoothing Serum Mask. I hope you liked it and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.